Today, we're revealing 26 incredibly useful gadgets and tools that can make everyday life faster, easier, and smarter. From powerful repair tools and clever kitchen helpers to smart home gadgets and surprising DIY inventions, every item has something unique to offer. And stay until the very end, because number 26 is one gadget you definitely don't want to miss. 1. Cordless butane soldering iron. No electricity and no fuel tank needed. This cordless butane soldering iron can be started with a lighter, making it extremely useful when there is no power available. It heats up quickly, and the built-in knob lets you control the temperature. It is great for outdoor repairs and soldering electronic parts. The front tip is replaceable too. Install the flame attachment, and it becomes a compact, high-temperature torch. It can reach temperatures above 1,000 degrees C and work with copper, iron, aluminum, and stainless steel. You can even attach a cutting tip for DIY holes and openings. 2. Battery-powered DC welding tool. No electric soldering iron or welding machine. This compact DC welding tool can work directly from a battery. Connect the clips to the positive and negative terminals, then secure the wire with the small clamp. Touch the welding rod to the wire, and it can fuse the connection almost instantly. It works with both copper and aluminum wires, making quick repairs much easier. 3. Wooden frog massage tool. Here is a little wooden frog that can be used by anyone. It is made from solid wood with a smooth and rounded finish. Use it to gently massage around the eyes, along the bridge of the nose, around the eye area, across the jawline, and beside the ears. You can even roll it in your hand when you need to relax. It is simple, calming, and inexpensive. 4. Solar rainbow balcony light. Here is a clever way to decorate your balcony without drilling holes or paying extra electricity costs. Attach this solar-powered decorative light to the railing and let it charge during the day. Once night falls, it turns on automatically with beautiful changing colors. It creates a romantic atmosphere, and its waterproof design makes it suitable for rainy weather too. 5. Plant support clips. This tiny clip can be useful in almost every home with plants. Its opening is around 2 centimeters, and one gentle squeeze lets you secure a plant stem. It holds branches firmly without putting too much pressure on them. Orchids, roses, bougainvillea, and climbing plants can all benefit from these clips. They are also reusable, so you can use them again and again. 6. 3-in-1 retractable fast charging cable. This retractable charging cable comes with 3 different connectors, so it can work with many types of phones and devices. Pull it out when you need it, and it can extend to more than 1 meter. It supports up to 100-watt high-power charging and fast charging technology. It can charge compatible phones very quickly. The USB and Type-C connections make it versatile, and when finished, simply pull the cable back for a clean and tidy setup. 7. Tool-free rope clamp. This handy clamp needs no tools for installation. Just hold it in place by hand and tighten the nut. Its anti-slip teeth help keep it firmly secured. Attach a rope, and you can use it for a canopy, shade cloth, or similar outdoor setup. Since it can be removed and reused, it is a practical little tool to keep around. 8. Multifunction digital display clock. This compact display does much more than show the time. It can display the day of the week, heart rate, lunar calendar information, room temperature, and humidity. You can also set an alarm. The numbers are large and easy to read, while the small body can sit on a desk or be mounted on a wall. It is a useful little home gadget without taking much space. 9. Magnetic multi-purpose hook. If you have a home, this magnetic hook can come in handy. It is resistant to rust and corrosion and can stick directly to metal surfaces. Put it on a door for keys, umbrellas, or bags. Stick it on the refrigerator for small tools, and in the kitchen it can hold cooking utensils. Having several around the house can make everyday storage much easier. 10. Soldering helping hand clamp. Whether you repair electronics professionally or do small projects at home, this little clamp is worth having. Simply place the wire or component inside and secure it. It keeps the workpiece steady while you solder and can also hold small electronic parts of different sizes. The best part is that you can work with one hand instead of constantly holding the component yourself. 11. Adjustable jar and bottle opener. Opening stubborn lids becomes much easier with this adjustable opener. Its opening can be changed to fit different cap sizes. Place it over the lid, give it a gentle twist, and the cap can be loosened with much less effort. It works with many different jars and containers around the house and is a simple tool to keep in the kitchen. 12. 12V 24V electric water and oil pump. For pumping water or oil, this compact electric pump can be a useful helper. It is available in 12-volt and 24-volt versions and connects directly to a battery. Switch it on, and it can quickly move liquid through the pump. The built-in copper motor provides strong performance and good flow. It can be used for transferring water or oil, and even for watering plants in the garden. 13. Solar outdoor atmosphere lamp. This solar decorative lamp can be placed on a lawn, balcony, garden, or almost any outdoor area. Its metal construction is designed for outdoor use and resists water and weathering. During the day, it charges under sunlight, and after dark, it automatically switches on. The open-work design creates a warm yellow glow that looks beautiful and adds a cozy atmosphere outdoors. 14. Automatic cigarette dispenser. For people who smoke at home or in the car, this storage box can hold up to 2 packs of cigarettes. It also helps protect them from dust and moisture. When you want one, simply press the button and a cigarette pops up automatically. Its clean design also looks neat when placed on a table or shelf while remaining practical for everyday use. 15. Stainless steel expandable rack. This expandable stainless steel rack is another useful item for the kitchen. It is corrosion resistant and can be extended or folded according to the space you need. It can support different sizes of hot pots, pans, bowls, and plates. People who cook regularly can keep a few of these around because the stainless steel construction is made for long-term use. 16. Large capacity leather waste bag. Here is the large capacity waste bag many people have been looking for. It has a soft, stylish design with several separate compartments. One section can hold keys, another can store cards and an ID, another is suitable for cigarettes and a lighter, while another can carry your phone and power bank. There is also space for coins. Wear it around your waist or across your body for a lightweight and convenient everyday carry. 17. Handmade golden money tree. This handcrafted decorative money tree is designed to look elegant wherever you place it. It combines an aluminum alloy structure with a ceramic base and is made to keep its appearance for a long time. Once opened, the golden branches create an attractive decorative display. It can be used as a home decoration or given as a gift, and its traditional symbolism also makes it an appealing present. 18. Motion sensor nightlight. Here is a convenient nightlight that does not need a manual switch. It uses motion sensing, so simply plug it into a hallway, bathroom, or another dark area. When someone walks past at night, the light turns on automatically. After the area is clear, it switches off after about 25 seconds. The soft illumination is comfortable for the eyes and especially useful when getting up during the night. 19. 1000 ml high borosilicate tea bottle. This large capacity glass tea bottle is made from heat-resistant high borosilicate glass. It includes a built-in filter that separates tea leaves from the water. With a capacity of around 1000 milliliters, it is suitable for everyday drinking. The lid seals tightly, helping prevent leaks even when the bottle is shaken. It is convenient for both tea and plain water. 20. Strong adhesive adjustable hook. This adhesive mounting hook can stick firmly to many household surfaces. After removing the backing film, simply press it into place. The small adjustable nut allows the position to be changed, and the strong adhesive provides good support. It can be used for clocks, decorative pictures, and other lightweight household items. No drilling is required, making installation much easier. 21. Angle grinder to mini chainsaw conversion kit. With this conversion kit, an angle grinder can be transformed into a small chainsaw-style tool. First, remove the original pressure plate, then install the appropriate square shaft nut and anti-slip ring. Attach the chainsaw conversion head and tighten everything securely. After adding the auxiliary handle and protective guard, the setup is ready. It can make cutting wood, bamboo, tree branches, and garden plants much easier. Always use suitable protective equipment and follow the tool's safety instructions. 22. Reusable silicone food covers. If you have a refrigerator, these silicone covers can be extremely useful. They are designed to seal leftover food and help prevent leaks and unwanted odors. Bowls and plates of different sizes can be covered with them, making them convenient for storing food in the refrigerator. The material is food-grade silicone and can be sterilized with boiling water, making them reusable for everyday kitchen use. 23. High-power timer socket. This high-power timer socket can automatically control appliances according to a preset schedule. It can be useful for things such as electric vehicle charging, water pumps, and other equipment. Set the required duration, and the socket can automatically cut the power when the time is reached, so you do not need to unplug it manually. It is convenient for everyday use. 24. Foldable reading glasses. People over 40 may find these foldable reading glasses especially useful. They feature a sturdy metal frame, but remain lightweight enough for comfortable everyday wear. When you are finished using them, simply fold them down and place them inside the protective case. Their compact design makes them easy to carry in a pocket or bag, so they are convenient convenient when reading while traveling or outside the home. 25. USB rechargeable style cigarette lighter. This compact lighter is designed to work through a USB charging connection. Plug it into a compatible power source and it can produce an ignition without a traditional flame. It is designed to resist wind and is convenient for lighting cigarettes or starting a small fire. The automatic shutoff feature helps prevent prolonged operation, while the small size makes it easy to carry. 26. 18650 battery power bank module. Do not throw away old electronic devices just because they contain 18650 batteries. With a suitable battery module, you can turn a compatible battery into a small rechargeable power bank. Connect the cell according to the positive and negative markings, then use the USB output to charge a phone or other device. The module can also support battery charging through its Type-C connection. It can be useful for DIY power bank projects, repairs, and battery-powered experiments while helping reuse old cells.